Day 3, build your calm kit. Day 3 is where we stop relying just on willpower and start building tools. You create a calm kit, a list of things you can do when emotions are high. In the morning, on a fresh page in your journal, write the words, "When I feel overwhelmed, I can." Now list 5 to 10 simple options, like, for instance, 4, 7, 8 breathing. In for 4, hold for 7, out for 8, 4 times. Hot shower or bath. Step outside and feel your feet on the ground for 2 minutes. Put on headphones and play one specific calming track or playlist. Text or call someone with a simple, honest message. "Hey, I'm a bit wobbly today, just checking in." During the day, whenever your emotional intensity is high, say 7 out of 10 or more, pick one item from your calm kit and actually do it. Notice which ones genuinely help and which feel fake or irritating. In the evening, cross off any tools that simply don't work for you. Keep the 3 to 5 that actually move the needle. From now on, big feelings equal use the calm kit, not automatic numbing. This is the end of day 3. Be kind to yourself, get some rest, take the actions, and we'll see you in day 4.